The SpaceX Dragon capsule that brought them back is named Freedom. And take a look at the video. It's as if it were choreographed for a movie. Greeted by dolphins as the capsule splashed down off the Florida Panhandle. Freedom arrived at the International Space Station back in September with the Crew-9 mission. Well, after their flight test of Boeing's new Starliner spacecraft ran into thruster problems, NASA reassigned test pilots Butch Wilmore and Suni to fold into the Crew-9 mission and then return with them on that SpaceX capsule Freedom after the next astronaut rotation arrived just this past Sunday. But in an emergency, they could have left earlier. So NASA officials initially insisted Butch and Suni were not stranded. But in January, Elon Musk, the CEO of NASA's second largest contractor, used that very word, stranded, to describe Butch and Suni's extended stay in space and pledged to answer President Trump's call to bring them home as soon as possible. Although Crew-9 splashed down a month later than its original February target, NASA and SpaceX were able to speed up the astronaut rotation and push Butch and Suni's return from late March to mid-March. Space agency officials say a lot of factors went into the timing.
We got the input from the White House, but you also have to look at the vehicle readiness. We talked about looking at weather. We talked about the recovery team, handover, the vehicle traffic going to and from the International Space Station. So when you put all that together, we came up with, I thought, a pretty good plan.
And NASA is crediting SpaceX and its own astronauts for being nimble and adapting to rapidly changing circumstances to bring about yesterday's very happy ending to this very long mission. Harris?
All right. I'm sure for those astronauts, it felt nothing short of a miracle. And in fact, it was. Jonathan, thank you.